didn't think this day would come so soon, but my son requested to have his hair cut for the very first time ever. So I had to oblige. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through that whole process. I'm going to show you how it went down at the barbers. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see from the picture, July 2022 was my son's last length check. Look how long his hair was, guys. But one day, 5 months ago, back in August, he came to me randomly out of the blue and asked me to cut his hair. He said, "Mummy, I want to go to the barbers and I want to cut my hair." I was a little bit saddened. I wasn't surprised because I knew this day would happen, but I didn't think it would be this soon. So, of course, I asked him why, and his reason was he wants to look like his dad. He wants to have the same haircut as his dad. So, of course, I was a little bit saddened, as I mentioned, obliged. So I waited for about 2 weeks because I wanted to make sure that this is what he actually wanted. And I kid you not, guys. Oh my God!
You have a bag.
Yes, you have a bag. For the next 2 weeks, every single morning, he would ask me when I was going to take him to the barbers to get his hair cut. So I knew he was very serious. So after 2 weeks, I booked an appointment at our barbers near my house. I did a lot of research just to make sure I found the best person for the job, and I found one, booked it, and then we went along to the barbers to get the job done. Guys, look at the thickness of my son's hair. Even the barber was so surprised. I mean, I've been telling you guys, my son has high density hair, but just look, it seemed like, or it looked like he had 20 or more layers of hair. He's giving us the thumbs up, so he's liking it so far, which is great. So my son requested that we not cut too much of the top off, and the reason is because he wants me to sponge roll the top of his hair. His dad does this to his own hair, and he wants a bit of definition at the top, of course, just to look like his dad. So when we get home, I'm going to wash his hair, and then I'm going to add some bit of product, and then I'm going to sponge roll it just to help define the top of his hair. Okay, mamas, so take a close look at what the barber is doing right now. He's given my son a shape up around his hairline. Now, as you can see, my son has baby hairs around his hairline, and I want to protect his hairline. I'm not trying to jack up his hairline. At 4 years old, I want the baby hairs to mature. Once the baby hairs have matured, we will shape up his hairline again to where it needs to be. But for now, this is where I want it to be, and thankfully my barber listened and also agreed. Look how much hair came off his head. You want to know how I was able to grow my son's hair to tailbone length by 4 years old? Click the video on the bottom left hand corner of this screen and check it out.